Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix crashing, freezing and the stuttering issue in the wild heart. I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you need to update your graphic card drivers. If you have not installed the graphic card drivers, then you have to just install it. Like in the case of the Nvidia, you have to just open the GeForce Experience graphic card drivers website and install it. And if you have already installed, then you have to just check for the update and update it. Similarly, in case of the EMDA, you have to just open the Radeon graphic drivers website and then install it, and if already installed, then you have to just update it. You can also use the Intel drivers, which is the best one to use. And if you have already installed a driver, then you have to just update it. For this, you have to just open your run box by pressing Windows plus R at once and then search here for devmgmt.msc and then click OK. Basically, you have to just open your device manager and then click on the display adapter, just expand it and then right click on your graphic card driver that you have installed in your PC or laptop and then click on the update driver. And then click on the search automatically for drivers, wait for searching, and you can see that the best driver for your device are already installed, and then just close it and relaunch your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our second method, you have to just open your settings. So basically you have to just disable the overclocking of your CPU. So for this, just click on the system in your settings and then click on the power and the sleep and then click on the additional power settings here. So then this interface will open for you. Just click on the change plan settings in front of the plan that you have adjusted in your PC or laptop and then click on the change advanced power settings. So after doing so, such type of the pop-up window will open for you. You have to just select the processor power management in the list and then expand it. After this, you have to just expand the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state as well. And then you have to just adjust the first value to the 99% in the minimum and the maximum processor state. After this, just click on the apply and then OK. Close all of the windows and then relaunch your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our third method, you have to just open the Steam library and then right click on your wild heart and then click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of your game files. So by verifying your game files, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our next method, which is so simple and more effective. In some cases, this is more than enough to restart your system to solve this error, so you must try this process as well. Now moving to our next method, you have to just open your run box and then search here for the temp and then press OK. And then select here for all the files by pressing Ctrl A at once on your keyboard and then you have to just delete all of these files from here. Don't worry, these all are the junk files. You have to just remove it from your PC or laptop. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Last method is that you have to just uninstall your game and reinstall it. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.